In this video, we are going to take a quick and updated look at the slide edges and slide vertex tool. They have been consolidated into one tool now. Let's go ahead and take a look at it here in the tweak section of the tool panel. I'll start with slide edges. Previously, you could single click an edge and just slide it along the surface. I'll go ahead and undo. But you could also hold down the control key and it would allow you to slide it along the surrounding surface as well. The slide vertex mode would allow you to constrain a vertex's movement along the initial direction of a given edge. Let's go ahead and do that. So let's left mouse button click and drag. And it's essentially sliding along that edge rather than moving freely in screen space as it would if I were using the move tool by comparison. Allow me to go back to slide edges because I want to show a bit more of an extreme example to help demonstrate how the behavior of the tool is now much more predictable and reliable. I can hold down the control key in order to slide an entire edge loop or connected edges. And then I can left mouse button click and drag inwardly or outwardly. So yeah, we can continue doing that here. I'll hold down the control key. And I can do the same thing here. So that is a quick look at the slide edges and slide vertex tool that has now been consolidated where they were previously separated into individual tools. Okay, thank you for watching and we will see you next time.